So now just about to get to the next dent of the day. This is for another one of my traders. They specialise in kind of import-export stuff, a lot of Japanese vehicles, a lot of high-end stuff actually. I'm not sure what vehicle it is, but they've got a soft little dent on the roof panel, and the car's going out later in the week, so they're hoping just to sort of take the eye off the dent in the roof and obviously avoid having to repair and paint a roof. So we'll pull up, go and have a look around, see what they've got for me, and I'll run the camera around so you can have a look at the dent as well. So this is the car I'll be working on. It's just got a couple of soft dents on the roof panel. So just here, the front of the sunroof, and then there's a little one a bit further back, around here. Just swing the camera around, and you just see both dents. So one here, and then one a bit further back. Now have a look at this. That's a pretty roll cage. I do not fancy getting involved with that, taking out the headlining or any of that. So it's going to be a glue pull. So it's an older car, and I'm always dubious of the paintwork. You can see it's old and faint. It's got little blisters in the paint, little telltale signs that it's not the best, and it's probably been painted before at some point. Just lots of little blisters in the paint. So I don't want to use hot glue for this. I think that's going to be too strong. It's likely to take the paint off. Apparently what happened was when it was on the truck, it had ratchet straps over the top of the vehicle, and just a bit too much pressure. I left this little indentation. So instead of using hot glue, I'm going to use cold glue. Just got a little bit here on the end of my tab for the slide hammer, and hopefully I can gradually just lift a little bit through the back and through this dent, take the eye off it. So after a couple of rounds of cold glue pulling and a little bit of tapping around, managed to remove both of the dents on the roof panel. And I've just given it a really light little hand polish, just to remove some of the surface scuffs, some of that glue residue. But it's come out really nice and clean, so I'm happy with that. So a fairly straightforward dent on the roof panel on that last one. Thankfully the paint stayed on the car, which is always a bonus. So as I said, I didn't want to use hot glue for risk of pulling the paint. Thankfully the cold glue did its job, got into those low kind of depressions and lifted them up. Fairly soft damage, so just had a little soft tap down, or use the R4 cherry cap on a tap down, just to knock down any highs that came up, move some tension, and then yeah, the cold glue and my slide hammer for lifting out the low little dent. So a bit of tapping around, and that came out fairly well. At least no obvious dent there now. Those sort of old cars, they're always a little bit ripply in my opinion. They've always got a little bit of character, as we will say, rather than dents or damage. But yeah, fairly straightforward, and yeah, cold glue was what got me through that one.